Local 4 News starts now with a breaking news alert.
Guilty of involuntary manslaughter.
James Crumbley, the father of the Oxford school shooter, guilty on 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter.
This verdict does not bring back their children, but it does mark a moment of accountability.
James and his wife Jennifer Crumbley, now the first parents in America convicted in a mass school shooting. The verdict brings some closure for parents of victims, but their fight for justice is not over yet.
We can put people on the moon. We can build skyscrapers, huge monuments like the Hoover Dam, and we can't keep our kids safe in schools.
We've taken care of 3 legs of November 30th. And there's still a 4th leg, and that's the school. And it's time for the school to pony up.
Our breaking news coverage of the historic guilty verdict of James Crumbley continues now at 10. I'm Devin Skillian.
I'm Kimberly Gill. We've been bringing you live coverage on Local 4, Local 4 Plus since the verdict came in at 7 tonight. This final verdict with the Crumbleys marks just a small step toward more healing in the Oxford community. It took the jury a little more than 10 hours to find James Crumbley guilty on all 4 charges of involuntary manslaughter. Prosecutors argued during the 8-day trial James Crumbley purchased the gun 4 days before the shooting, and despite being asked to take their son home the morning of that tragedy, they did not, nor did they look in his backpack for the gun. This is the first time parents have been held responsible for not doing more to stop a mass shooting carried out by their child. Both James and Jennifer Crumbley will be sentenced April 9th. They could face up to 15 years in prison.
Parents of Madison, Tate, and Justin were in the courtroom for tonight's verdict. They have been through the shooter's sentencing and his parents' convictions, but for all of them, they refer to it as the 4th leg of this case, and that is yet to come.
Mara McDonald is live at the courthouse tonight. Mara, they had nothing but gratitude for Karen McDonald and her team.
Kimberly, that's right. I mean, they are all so appreciative, but it is so clearly not over for any of these families, and it's all about, for them, accountability. And that 4th leg that you heard Buckmere talk about, that's the school district. And all these families are united in seeing accountability from the school district. Let me show you. To this day, and after both of these verdicts, do you guys think that you still really know what happened that day, and is everybody fessed up to what happened that day?
Absolutely not.
No.
And that is why, for these parents, accountability does not just reside with the Crumbleys. They want answers out of Oxford schools, answers they say have been short in coming, now 2.5 years into this agony.
The school is protected, you know, so we're ready to take it on.
Taking on governmental immunity, which is what school districts have from lawsuits as well as criminal prosecution. It's one of the reasons you've seen no charges come from the prosecutor's office when it comes to the school district. All these families are fighting it. There's no telling if they'll be successful, but Madison's mom, who has spoken so gut-wrenchingly at the school board, has at least this satisfaction.
The one thing, whether they stay or they leave like they should, they know our kids' names.
But they also see a path beyond legal action against the district, and that is prevention.
It's a matter of getting the message out and stopping this from happening again. And that doesn't just, that is not going to happen just by if we stop at the school district, right? So there's a journey beyond that.
Accountability is not just a word that we've been throwing around loosely. I mean, it's what we want. It's absolutely necessary.
Back here alive, so as you heard, 3 legs down, 1 more to go. I want to thank Nicole Beausoleil, Buckmere, Steve St. Juliana, and Craig Schilling for taking the time to talk to us one-on-one tonight. They've had an incredibly long day, and I know that they are all drained. And while they had plenty to say to us, Prosecutor Karen McDonald had plenty to say as well, starting with her telling everybody she's not taking a victory lap here. My colleague, Victor Williams, was in court today. Victor, tell us what the prosecutor had to fill us all in on.
Yeah, Mara, just like you said, Not taking a victory lap at all. That's because there are still 4 lives lost in this situation. Take a look at this video of her actually going around and hugging the parents of every single victim of that school shooting, with now both Jennifer and James Crumbley being found guilty of involuntary manslaughter in connection to the tragic Oxford school shooting. Oakland County Prosecutor, just like we said, Karen McDonald, she spoke for several minutes reacting to this verdict. Now, even though this is a landmark case, Prosecutor McDonald says this is far from over. She declared that this is only the beginning of a long fight against not only gun violence, but a chance to take accountability as well for parents to just have common sense when it comes down to enabling a child to do something like this.
I stood here 2.5 years ago, and I said this started with one question: where did he get that gun? Where did he get it? And how did he get it? And that is a question that every single one of us as mothers and fathers asked. One of these terrible events happens and all we're talking about is the shooter or the people we're prosecuting. But there's so much more. There's so much more.
And she also goes on to speak on how guns have become the #1 killer of the youth here in America. We're going to be taking a deeper dive into what she had to say coming up tonight at 11. Victor Williams, Local 4.
All right, Victor, and our coverage continues on our website. Click on Detroit.com, where you will find recaps of this 8-day trial. You can also find deep dives into some of the key moments from it as well.